So I was slacking, YouTube family. I didn't show y'all the beginning, but it's kind of dirty now. But if you look, I just wanted to do the sidewalk up to the street for now, just to see what it came out like. And it cleaned it up pretty nice. You can kind of tell over here, I kind of figured it out late, but you can kind of see the difference of how it was before and how it is now. So I kind of went to the curb with it, just to kind of bring out the sidewalk. And it was dirty, and I'm at the corner, so people see it a lot, and I didn't like that. Kind of get an idea now. It's cleaning up a little bit. Trying to get this curb going now. But you can kind of see the difference of the old to the new. So it's coming out. Okay, I came to a stopping point right here. As soon as the weather gets better, it's supposed to have a winter storm coming tonight or tomorrow. So as soon as that clears up, I'll continue on down that way. But for now, I'm pretty satisfied with what came out. I did the sidewalk, the curb area, the little drainage part, and I hit the fire lane just to bring it out a little bit. And I stopped here, so you can kind of tell from here that way.